Are you tired of fixing the same problem over and over again? When a defect hits your process, most teams treat the symptom, only for the issue to return next week. The difference between short-term fixes and permanent solutions lies in finding the root cause. But how do you structure that search? Today, we are diving into the ultimate problem-solving framework, the Ishikawa Diagram, also known as the Fishbone or Cause and Effect Diagram. We'll use this free, interactive online generator to show you how to take a complex problem and systematically map all its potential causes into a clear, visual structure. If you need to stop recurring issues and implement lasting quality improvements, this tool is essential. This diagram is named after its creator, the pioneering Japanese quality expert, Dr. Kaoru Ishikawa. He developed the technique in the 1960s, primarily for use in the Kawasaki Steel Works. Dr. Ishikawa's philosophy centered on two key ideas. First, that every company problem is 95% fixable by employees on the factory floor. And second, that these employees need simple, visual tools to do it. The Fishbone Diagram was designed to facilitate structured team brainstorming, ensuring every possible cause is considered and categorized before jumping to conclusions. The Ishikawa Diagram gets its nickname, Fishbone, because of its appearance. The head of the fish is the effect, the problem you are trying to solve. The horizontal spine leads to several angled lines, the major bones, which represent the main categories of causes. Its primary purpose is root cause analysis, RCA. It prevents teams from focusing on the obvious culprit by forcing them to look at the big picture. In manufacturing, these major categories are typically the 6 M's: manpower, method, machine, material, measurement, and Mother Nature, environment. This online generator makes creating a professional Ishikawa diagram incredibly fast. The process is simple. Step 1. Define the problem. You start by typing your specific problem statement into the problem box. This becomes the head of your diagram. Step 2. Define and input categories. The tool provides 6 input fields, corresponding to the major bones, the 6 M's. You enter your potential causes under each category. For example, under a machine, you might list worn bearing or calibration drift. The tool is live, so as you input your data, the diagram is drawn in real time on the canvas, instantly creating the visual map. Step 3. Visualization and review. You can use the Load Example button to see a pre-built diagram and understand the structure. The final visual map allows the team to pinpoint which categories have the most potential causes, guiding further investigation. Step 4. Export. Once your team agrees on the final diagram, the tool offers 2 essential export options. You can export the raw data, the problem and all causes, to Excel for record keeping, and, crucially, you can export the professional, high-quality diagram itself as a JPG image for easy inclusion in reports and presentations. The Ishikawa diagram transforms chaotic brainstorming into a focused, systematic search for the truth. It's the simplest, most visual way to stop treating symptoms and start eliminating root causes for good. The link to this free Ishikawa diagram generator is in the description below. Start tackling your toughest recurring problems today. What is the recurring problem in your business you're going to analyze first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quality engineering tools.